Hello everyone, welcome to the course on Measurements and Instrumentation. In this session, I am discussing the topic single phase power measurement without using wattmeter. The methods are 3 voltmeter method and 3 ammeter method. First move on to single phase power measurement using 3 voltmeter method. The circuit consists of a single phase AC source, a resistor R and RL load. Here, first voltmeter V1 is connected across the supply, the second voltmeter is connected across the resistor and third voltmeter is connected across RL load. Here, R is a pure resistor, so voltage V2 and current through the resistor are in phase with each other. Here, V3 is voltage across RL load. Due to the inductive nature, the current through this load always lag the voltage by an angle phi. See the phasor diagram. Here current I is taken as reference vector and V2 is voltage across pure resistor. So V2 and this current are in phase with each other. And V3 is voltage across the load and due to the inductive nature, voltage is leading by an angle phi. So, V3 is lead by an angle phi from current I. Here, V1 is a supply voltage and V1 is vector sum of V2 and V3. So, by drawing a parallelogram, we can able to draw vector V1. V1 is vector sum of V2 and V3. By analyzing the phasor diagram, V1 square equal to V2 square plus V3 square plus 2V2 V3 cos phi. Here phi is the angle between V2 and V3. V2 square plus V3 square plus 2 into IR V3 cos phi. Here V2 is voltage across this resistor. So we can able to write V2 equal to current I into R. So the equation becomes V2 square plus V3 square plus 2R into V3 I cos phi. See the term, it is V3 I cos phi. Vi cos phi is our power. So the equation becomes V2 square plus V3 square plus 2P into R. So by rearranging the equation, power P equal to V1 square minus V2 square minus V3 square divided by 2R. Power factor of the circuit is obtained from this equation. It is cos phi equal to V1 square minus V2 square minus V3 square divided by 2V2 V3. Next move on to single phase power measurement using 3 ammeter method. The circuit consists of a single phase AC source, a pure resistor R and RL load. First ammeter is connected in the circuit to measure the input current. The second ammeter is connected in series with pure resistor for measuring current I2 and third ammeter is connected in series with RL load for measuring current I3. Here I2 and supply voltage are in phase with each other and the current I3 always lags the supply voltage by an angle phi due to the presence of inductor. See the phasor diagram. Here voltage V is taken as reference vector. I2 is current flowing through pure resistor. So I2 and voltage are in phase with each other. I3 is current through RL load. So due to the presence of inductor, current always lags the supply voltage by an angle phi. And supply current or input current I1 is vector sum of I2 and I3. And from this phasor diagram, I1 square equal to I2 square plus I3 square plus 2I2 I3 cos phi. Here I2 is current flowing through pure resistor. So I2 equal to V divided by R. And the equation becomes I1 square equal to I2 square plus I3 square plus 2 V by R I3 cos phi. See the term V I3 cos phi, and it is equivalent to power. And by rearranging the equation, power equal to R by 2 into I1 square minus I2 square minus I3 square. And the power factor of the circuit is obtained from this equation. It is cos phi equal to I1 square minus I2 square minus I3 square divided by 2 I2 I3. And concluding, by using 3 ammeter and 3 voltmeter method, we can able to find power and power factor of single phase AC circuit. Thank you.